Today is July the 22nd, 2021, here at Hildebrand Machinery Company. This is the Landis CNC Cylindrical grinder, stock number 18050. We've gone over the machine a little bit. We've got the W axis, which is the wheel dresser, operating and working. We put a piece between centers just to show you that the quill and the tailstock is operational. We'll fire this up here. There's a couple centers. The waves are in super nice shape. Let's go back here and
into control. Master starting auto, and you gotta hit that. Go into home.
speed it up again once.
Speed it up. It is up the whole way.
Oh,
now
okay.
it's in the grind mode.
Okay, it's in grind mode now. All right, well that's just goes back and forth like a grinder should.
It will after this. That's how it's gonna go. That right down to that, and it parks everything.
Just a matter of pushing the button and pops in and out. That's the tailstock. And we'll take a look at a dress cycle.
I don't know if you want to go to the back or look in there. You can
Here. That's the dresser there moving back and forth. There you can see it. And it will, that little silver wheel will increment in. Then you'll see when it gets to the end, you'll see the little silver handle increment in, and then it dresses itself back. And it just repeats that cycle to wherever you have it set.
That's what it did. It went out of the way.
So that's the machine. Appears to be in good working order as we know it. If you have any questions, give us a call.